Hello, everybody. Welcome to the weekly analysis of the Super ICT Private Content and Mentorship of 2024. Hope everybody's doing well. I haven't done a video last week due to this beautiful condition on the Nasdaq and on the DXY and on the yields. So I'll start off by showing you every single chart as far as the monthly time frame. So look at the Nasdaq and tell me what do you think about this monthly candle, right? So as you can see, there's only 3 days and 8 hours left on the monthly candle on Nasdaq, and it's about to being a doji, nothing very conclusive. If we look at the weekly now, so we created a high on March 4th on the weekly chart, and we took some buy side liquidity here, so we took these stops, and now we're just retracing back into these levels of chop, right? Which is nothing very much conclusive. I said it. I say it's not conclusive because this weekly candle could have been used as an order block. But as you can see, it did not respect it at all. We even went below a mean threshold of the order block, so nothing consequential. We did respect this daily fair value gap from February 22nd, and we bounced a little bit from there a couple of times on 29th February, on March 6th, 15, 18, 19. So as you can see, the PD arrays and fair value is not exceptionally strong. We just chopped and bounced and gather more liquidity around these levels. If you tried to catch a breakout with the fair value gap, you would have been chopped up, as you can see here. But good news is on Thursday we took the buy sell liquidity here. We make a new all-time highs on the Nasdaq, and then we retraced as expected on this overall sentiment. Some of you might ask, why did we not continue higher on the Nasdaq? And it's mostly because of the overall range. So in price action, there's the price action, there's the order flow, there's the institutional sponsorship. But if you look at the previous candles, the range is set up in this section, so it's all consolidation based. So why would you expect an expansion on a continuation or consolidation? I mean range. Well, it's definitely not high probability, so nothing to expect on that side. Um, and the same thing happens here. This is the monthly chart again for the dollar and the yields. Nothing extremely interesting. Same kind of vibe in the monthly chart here. A doji that went higher. Nothing of the amazing. Um, and as you can see on February, we started consolidating in this range, which is the same overall sentiment here, which is why I did not play the account. As you can see, the account is still at 13,000. The trades are the same. I had a 2.8k trade, and that led us to the 13k range. And now we're still around the 13.278, so nothing conclusive. Again, I have not been touching the account, and this is where I explained to you that patience is the most important skill you can get in trading. If you try to trade every day or even every week, you will lose your money. And I've been able to take out 8,000 of Apex, and it's been confirmed. I gave you on the Discord community the link to where I was approved, so you can see that I got 8,000 from trading. It's the official website, official list. My name is there, Quebec, Canada, and I also have the certificate. I'm also gonna give a shout out to Apex Trader Funding for giving me a free gift. I received an invitation to have a free gift from them, and that was a milestone in my trading career that I did not expect at all. So that's very good. I'm just blessed for that, and I'll show you guys when I'll receive the gift. But now let's get back into the markets, right? So, what are my expectations for this week? Let's keep it very simple. Okay, so I expect this daily fair value gap to get at least filled. Maybe not filled completely as far as this going all the way and closing below, but the wick of this weekly candle probably gonna go below this. Again, we're at the end of the month, so I'm not expecting a lot. It's NFP week, if I'm not wrong. So let's be patient and let's not, you know, risk all of our portfolio on this week. It's not a good week. It's not the best week at all. And on the hourly chart, well, we kind of follow this sell model, a little bit of a sell model, and the initial consolidation is around this range of 18 to 75. So if we're about to go down, well, we're probably gonna go here, take some sell side, or at least fake to take some sell side, and then just drop. I would have a lot of consideration if you take a short, but again, if you take a short, just be careful. These are not exceptionally bullish on the yields and on the dollar side. The Bank of Canada has mentioned that they're gonna reduce interest rates as far as 2025, end of 2024. So I would be careful into thinking yields are gonna go higher a lot. I would definitely be careful. And the same phenomenon happens on MES. If you look at the MES, same stuff, just a wider gap. The daily fair value gap here is a bit cleaner. The whole structure is a bit cleaner, more conducive to higher prices. But again, the Nasdaq has been leading for the previous weeks slash months, so nothing to worry. You can trade a short if you want, but I wouldn't go a lot as far as shorts, and I wouldn't go and try to catch the new all-time highs. It's the same energy, so be careful. Look at your forex calendar, and I'll see you in the chats. And stay safe. Thank you.